students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is the line represented by the equation 4x plus 5y minus 10 is equals to 0 and 8x plus 10y plus 20 is equals to 0 are. Our first option is intersecting lines. Two lines can be intersecting if the ratio of coefficient, that is a1 by a2, is not equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Our second option is perpendicular line to each other. Two lines are perpendicular when a1 a2 is equals to minus times b1 b2, and two lines are coincident line when a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, is equals to c1 by c2. And two lines are parallel to each other if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and is not equals to c1 by c2. So let's find the ratio of the coefficients in our question, that is a1 by a2. a1 is 4 and a2 is 8, so 4 upon 8, which is equals to 1 upon 2. Now let's find b1 by b2. b1 is 5 and b2 is 10, which is 5 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon 2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by 2. Let's find c1 by c2 also. c1 is minus 10 and c2 is 20. So minus 10 divided by 20, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. So from this we can find that a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but it is not equals to c1 by c2. So the correct option will be, they are parallel lines. Correct option will be D option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.